Hey, how's it going, guys? Usad here, and you're gonna learn about from code point in the string. So, what it does is like cal code from its point. It takes the point from the string and it will make a specified of code points. So, let me give you some examples. Just if you are code along with me, just do the line of code what I'm doing. So and pass 9731 comma 9733 comma. You can type whatever you want. That doesn't matter. It will give you some kind of string because everything is already taken, and I'm gonna type some factoring. Yeah, big F. It should be big F. And 804. If I do that, what's gonna happen? You can see there's a few characters, and the last one is about it's a kanji character. So hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.